help you out by saying aloha. So tap 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Aloha! Beautiful! Okay, let's do it. So you guys know what aloha means already.
Yes.
And you have a thing for picking the pink. Oh my goodness, look at the luster on that. You have a thing for picking the monster pearls, girl. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. The luck. Look at that size.
Nice.
You go to pink.
What is that?
That's pink. Pink is highest in luster.
Ooh.
That's what you want. 95% of the value of a pearl is its luster. So anytime you have a shiny pearl, that's what you want in a pearl.
Nice.
And the fact that you went diving without getting wet, even better.
Yeah.
You don't have to get dressed. You don't have to dry up. You went diving for this one. Oh man, that's a beautiful one. So you got cream. So remember your other one had about cream and green.
Yeah. Yes.
Your one has a pink and a cream.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's see your pearl in there. And it's good because it's a monster. Look at that compared to the one I showed you before.
Yeah.
That's a monster one. Oh, I want to show you how big it is because you had a big one on your ring too.
Yeah,
But I
did.
think this one just stretches it a little bit by being a little bit bigger than that one.